Hey guys, shusevele kwaphela du ngecouple yethu. Uzwelakhe noBahume have officially broken up, and this comes after uMakaBahume went straight to Mkhize house to request uMambukazi ukuthi atshele ingane yakhe Uzwelakhe ukuthi ihlukane noBahume phansi. Uye laphana wathi Mambukazi, please me, tell your son to leave my daughter alone. Angifuni yonke lento yalo mshado to happen. La ngempela uMambukazi told Uzwelakhe, and then Uzwelakhe decided it's okay because ufuna ngishade nengane yakho, it's fine. Ngiyekile. It's over between me and her. Suke yani lapho Uzwelakhe went straight to Bahume and told uBahume ukuthi esisi ngoba abazali bakho bathi abafuna ukuthi sishade mina nawe, so phela behlanganisa mina nawe, asiyo on the other side. Okusho ukuthi akusekho lutho manje uhlanganisa our beautiful couple, so there's no wedding that is coming. And I want to talk about that and more here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my people's videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. You know, mina ngicasula ukuthi so lokhu sihlale back and forth ukuthi kuzoloku kuba khona into each and every time that is going to hinder Uzwelakhe noBahume from getting married. Now it's their break up. Sihlukene ingane zabantu, and by the look of things there are no chances ukuthi baphinde babuyelana. Nobani Uzwelakhe wenza izinto right, but what he did recently ukuthi uhambe lokho in front uGcwabe, because he found out ukuthi uGcwabe is the one uhambile walapha kaMntango wahamba umrapela. So after finding out about all of that, I'm wondering ukuthi yini ke manje azoyenza. So what uGcwabe did is that uhambile waya lapha kaMntango, mayifika lapha kaMntango wafika wathi bomNtawong, there's a dark cloud that is hanging over our head as the Mkhize family. So if your daughter comes to our family to get married to our son Uzwelakhe, that means she's the one who's going to inherit that dark cloud and everything. So like any parent, abamntawong bathi no, ingane yethu ayilapha, akho ngane yethu uzohamba ishadela lapha yana kaMkhize if ukuthi she's going there to inherit their dark cloud. Uzobuya thathe leyo dark cloud leyo abazoyithatha. Angazi bekade kwenzakalani lapha yana, but then they believed that. Luckily uMakaBahume went to the Mkhize family about what is happening. noBahume ngapha went to Uzwelakhe wamtshela ukuthi Uzwelakhe, the reason why abazali bami bengafuni ishade is because of what your uncle said ngesikhathi efile lapha ekhaya. Now it was too late because Uzwelakhe had already decided ukuthi yazini ngiyahlukana mina nawe Bahume, meaning that uBahume noZwelakhe manje have broken up, and uBahume is heartbroken. So I think manje this whole storyline is going to drag again. Uzwelakhe qala phansi oncinga uBahume, I'm sorry for breaking up with you, ngixolisa ukuthi ngiwalile bengamelanga ngiwale wara nayo yonke lonto leyo phinde ngiqalwe phansi futhi kuba ngathi bayashelana. We just I don't know. I'm just glad ukuthi Uzwelakhe finally uthole iqiniso ukuthi omncane wakhe has been sabotaging him all this time. In fact, he knew this all this time, it's just that he was in denial. So I'm really glad that he found out. I'm really glad futhi ukuthi uhambile wamconfirm about this whole thing. So I'm hoping ukuthi lo baba omdala lo ngiyasaphinde futhi enze yonke lento le that has been doing, trying to sabotage the relationship of Uzwelakhe and angazi. So we're gonna have to keep on watching to find out ukuthi what is he gonna do next, because no nguGcwabe khona unyasazokwenza futhi, more especially since Uzwelakhe efika wamshaya ngamatress nje kuphela ambalwa bese kwadlula. So I don't know, comment down in the comment section guys, nisho nicabangani about this whole thing. Do you think ukuthi this wedding of Uzwelakhe and Bahume is going to happen egcineni noma guys, I really don't know. So comment down in the comment section, share your thoughts, share your opinions about this, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you know TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.